Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mini apple pies. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 pounds of baking apples, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll also need 2 sheets of pre-made pie crust and a standard 12-cup muffin tin. This recipe is perfect for individual servings and makes a wonderful dessert for any occasion. Let's get started with preparing our apples. Now, let's prepare our apple filling. Peel, core, and dice about 2 pounds of your favorite baking apples into small, uniform pieces. In a bowl, combine the diced apples with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning and enhance the flavor. For the crust, roll out your pie dough and use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to create the bases for your mini pies. With your crusts ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully press each 3-inch pie crust circle into the cups of your muffin tin, forming a small cup. Fill each crust with approximately 2 tablespoons of the apple mixture, mounding it slightly. Bake your mini pies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let your mini apple pies cool in the muffin tin for about 10 minutes before carefully removing them. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking apart. Serve these delightful treats warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra special touch. They are perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.